Hello everyone. Did you watch FIFA World Cup 2022? There are a ton of highlights in every match. Do you also want to record these highlight moments and create a fancy video? Here is an effect pack about World Cup broadcast for you. Just check the free download link in the description below and free download DemoCretaor. Launch DemoCretaor editor and search World Cup keywords in SFX Store. After that, you can download it and apply. Pretty easy for you. Share a video of your favorite FIFA World Cup moments on YouTube, Instagram or Twitter, whether they occur in 2022 or much earlier. Add hashtag FIFA moments hashtag present with DemoCretaor and tag us. You'll have a chance to win $100 cash as a creator fund. There will be 3 luckies. Let's share together.